Hey, it's Ashley. Thanks for clicking here on degreegirl.com. We're now headed into the 4th week of the Ultimate OMG contest, which means another winner will be announced in just a few minutes. But first, I wanted to remind you that you have 4 weeks left to enter your OMG moment for a chance to hang with me in Hollywood. We'll have dinner, share some laughs, and I'll even sing a few songs. It'll be so much fun, and I'm really looking forward to hanging out the 7 weekly winners. So think about your latest and greatest OMG moment and enter it now. You know all about OMG moments. They're the times that something unexpected happens and you literally go, oh my gosh. You've probably had a million OMG moments in your life, and now's the time to share them with my friends at Degree Girl. To prove how easy it is, I'll tell you one of my OMG moments. This actually happened and I'll never forget it. I was on set of The Suite Life of Zack and Cody, and the audience had just loaded in. It was the very first scene. We hadn't even started. We were all getting ready. And it started to snow, because in the scene it's supposed to snow, and it's fake snow. And I was kind of like messing around, and I was like dancing and stuff. And my shoe didn't have a grip on it, so it kind of slid. And I literally fell back like really hard, and it was like a big thump. Everybody heard it. The whole audience saw it. Like my castmate Brenda was like, "Oh my gosh, are you okay?" And it was really bad. It was not only an OMG moment that was embarrassing for me, but a lot of people were like, "Whoa, OMG, is she okay?" So yeah, that's my OMG moment. And now it's your turn. Just click on the laptop next to the flowers and follow the directions to enter. You can even click on the screen to watch one of my previous vlogs for more information. But whatever you do, enter. And if your OMG moment is picked as a weekly winner, you'll be on your way to Hollywood. And now I'm so excited because here's the second weekly winner. Brittany Morio from Deer Park, New York. Woo! Go Brittany! Brittany's OMG moment is really funny and kind of embarrassing as well. She was cast as the lead in the school play, and during a performance, she left her mic on while she was changing backstage. So while she was talking about this hot guy she had a crush on, the entire audience heard her. And the worst part is, he was in the audience. OMG, Brittany, I cannot wait to meet you. We're gonna have so much fun. Don't forget, I'll be posting a new vlog every week to share more winners' names and more of my own OMG moments. And whether you've entered before or this will be your first time, you can still submit your OMG moment. Take care, and I'll see you soon.